Hi guys, to make this dollhouse you will need a big cardboard box with a lid. You can of course use two separate boxes. Mine is about 60 centimeters long, 40 centimeters wide and 20 centimeters deep. Now cover the inside with the paper of your choice. I'm using different types of paper that has a variety of textures and prints, for example scrapbook paper, which I found in my local craft store. Glue the boxes together, cover the edges in paper and use paperboard for the sealing. I'm adding more durable copper to the walls on the first floor for more stability, and I'm also using it to divide the house into 4 rooms. Now you will need cardboard covered in paper to make the kitchen frame and contact paper for the countertop and the sink. Place a piece of wire in a lollipop stick, bend it into shape and use it as a water tap. Now build a shelf using foam board. Use cardboard and popsicle sticks to make a small shelf for the living room. This sofa is from a previous video. If you would like to watch that tutorial, follow the link in the info box, and as you can see I'm adding fake plants for decoration. To make the bed I'm using foam board, paperboard covered in felt and popsicle sticks. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think about this project. If you would like to see more tutorials for dollhouses or other miniatures, make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!